Welcome to our video. First of all, we reached 1,000 followers.
Awesome.
So it's super exciting for us. We've been receiving quite a few comments about what mattress we use in our van tour and in our van, like the whole traveling. So
we decided to make a quick video about it, telling you more about it, and giving you our thoughts about this this mattress.
I will start with the basic information about this mattress. So where we got it on Amazon, as almost everything. It's the easiest way how to get stuff. A price of this mattress was $165. I believe it's still on Amazon and it's still listed for the same price. So the brand of this mattress is Inofia, the free-fold memory mattress with the bamboo cover. There are different sizes right now, so we got the size full. I think it's really convenient for 2 people. We haven't had any kind of problem that it would be too small for us. It's 73 inches long, 52 inches wide, and 4 inches thick. We actually experienced that the mattress was a little bit shorter, like an inch shorter, so it was like around 72. But I think it's still, I'm 5'6.5" foot. I'm trying to count in these American measurements. Still don't understand that. And like I haven't had any issue with that. Neither my husband, he is 5'11", I believe. 5'11", and so we were both very comfortable on this bed. It didn't cave in. We were sleeping on this for about 4 months the whole time we traveled, and sometimes we experienced that this mattress and sleeping in our car was actually more comfortable and better than when we slept in those cheaper hotels, because this mattress is really nice. Also fairly light to manipulate, so it's really easy to unfold it, and even I can carry it, so it's really light to carry. So we were using this as a bed, but sometimes when it was raining, and we actually designed our bed to be like a couch, so therefore we choose this kind of unfoldable mattress so we can use it as a couch too.
This is how you can use it as a couch. We tried this in our van and tried it a couple times. Didn't really work so great for us, but I think it was more of a height issue. Our platform for our bed was a bit too tall to actually do this, so didn't get much use out of this. But I think if you designed your van to accommodate this, it could be very useful as a couch when you're folding it. A few other things. This thing, it came in a box, which if you have any kind of bed in a box, like a Casper or a Purple, anything like that, it comes like vacuum sealed and rolled up in like a tube almost in a box. Take it out, unroll it, cut the plastic open, and it starts to expand. I think we let it expand for about 2 to 3 days before actually using it. There are a lot of reviews on Amazon that say, oh, it never puffed up to the full potential. It never got to the 4 inches. I see a lot of pictures of rulers, and obviously that could be an issue. For us, it's not an issue. It's definitely a solid 4 inches in all areas of it, so no issue there. Very happy with that. You can see when I'm sitting on it, it does sink in. It is typical memory foam. If you don't like memory foam at all, it's probably not going to be for you, but there's not a ton of options if you're building a van and you want to keep it light and small and portable. This is a good option.
You can see this is the mattress. It's actually a mattress cover. There's foam inside. I guess it's bamboo. It's made of bamboo, so it's hypoallergenic. The bottom of it is non-slip. It's these little, I don't know what you want to call them. They're like little pieces of rubbery stickiness. So if you put it on a surface like wood, it doesn't slide around much, which is great. It is 3 separate pieces of foam, and you can take the foam out. So you can take the foam, you can unzip it if you wanted to clean the foam. You can see inside. That's it. So that's it. When you stack it, you can easily just put it in a closet if you're not using it. And like we would stack it like this in the van, and then be able to have some space in between. So a lot of people, I've seen other videos where if you have some time and or skills, you can actually cut this foam and make your own like pillow covers out of it, which can be really cool. You can, if you took this thing and you wanted to make it into, 6 or 7 different shapes, then you could really do a bit more with your cushions, your bed. I don't know what I'm saying.
It's fine.
What am I saying? But yeah, overall, I would say we were pretty happy with it. No real complaints. Like she said, it was way more comfortable than some of those old dingy hotel mattresses where they're like caved in and you wake up with a sore back and you're angry about life. We never had back problems at all. I don't know. Overall, we really liked it.
100% recommend. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video, and thank you so much for following us. As we said before, we got 1,000 followers, so
super exciting.
It's a big thing for us. So please subscribe, please like this video if you do like it. If you have any questions, please write them down below in the comment section, and we will come back and respond to them.
And thanks to whoever made a comment about how could I get such a beautiful girl like this.
Just go to Tinder in Slovakia.